Hey, it's the Redstone King here. Hope you like the new intro, first video that contains it. And today we're going to be continuing the Bukkit plugin programming. So today, as you can probably tell by the title, I am going to teach you how to make listeners, and I'm going to kind of clean up the plugin a bit more. So first off, this is just really sloppy, the way that this is made. So what we're going to want to do is, and I've currently got this opening in another program, it's just for faster speed. So we have the name, version, and main. Here, hold on, wait. I'm going to open this with Eclipse. System editor, maybe? No, that's that one again. Open with the text editor. There we go. Okay, we can quit that now. That was funny. Okay, so we have the name, example plugin, and I'm going to put an underscore. You don't need to do this. It's just for the heck of it. You know what? Never mind. Sorry, I have a cough. So we're changing it, so we're going to want to update the version to 0.0.2. I'm going to add a 1 here, but it all depends on how you want to name yours. So now, in the core file, we're going to want to, for nicety, you can fast forward a bit if you don't want to see this, you just care about the listeners. So we're going to do console command sender equals new console command sender. Was it? I think so. No. I'm going to pause the video and look it up in Stickman's items. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we want to do, we want to create this as a public static console command sender, and I'm just going to call it sender. Now it's showing up. And then in our on enable, we want to add sender equals this dot where was it? Sorry. No, wait, it wasn't. I'm an idiot. It's not this. It's bucket dot get console sender. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've done the console command sender. So then we're going to replace this system.out.println with sender.sendMessage. And now what this is going to allow us to do is use color codes in this. So we're going to want to use chat color dot, I'm going to go with green plus, and now our message, example plugin successfully enabled by Stickman561, and again sender.sendMessage chat color dot red example plugin successfully disabled by Stickman561. Okay, now on to the listeners. Okay, so we're gonna get at event handler priority equals event priority dot, and I always do highest, and that's going to give me an error because we didn't do this yet. So public void, whatever you want to do it. Let's do what would be a good one? Okay, public void player chat, and I'm just gonna make this an async player chat event, and then we're gonna name it event. So we're gonna import event handler and event priority, and now there's different event priorities. There's lowest, low, normal, high, highest, and monitor. Now, monitor is experimental, so I wouldn't recommend using it. But basically, if there's multiple plugins using the same event, it will set them off in the order of lowest to highest. And monitor goes based on the system speed, so it's really experimental, and I wouldn't recommend it. Now I'm going to import the async player chat event, and just for demonstration purposes, string message equals event dot get message if message dot contains if message dot to lowercase, because we don't want to make it case sensitive, so I've just unsensitized it to cases. I know this one's not broken down as well. Oops. Dot contains diamond. This is how we're gonna, and this is how I use players. Player equals event dot get player. Import that, and now we're going to do player dot get in. Player dot get inventory dot add item material new item stack. So it looks like I'm gonna have to teach you how to do item stacks as well. New item stack, so we're going to import it from org.bukkit, be careful of that. And now we're going to use material dot. And now this is any item in the game, so I'm going to want to use diamond, in this case, comma, and then the amount of that item you want to give them. Import material from org.bukkit. Now I could also, if it was like a hoe or something, do short and then another number to apply damage to the item, but that's for a later episode. So now, this time in case it save, and now this time in case it bugs out, I'm going to pause it while the game loads and everything, and I'll get back to you after that's done loading. Okay, I'm back, everything's loaded. It took me quite a while. And now you'll see in the console we have looking really nice example plugin successfully enabled by Stickman561. Now this is the Mayhemcraft plugin testing server. Mayhemcraft isn't always up and there's different servers, but you can always get onto them with 1.7, 0.2, 0.4, or 0.5 with the IP that I am overlaying now as I edit the video. So I'm just going to locally connect. Getting some lag right now. I'm just going to locally connect. Oh gosh, I'm stuttering. So I'm just going to locally connect for speed, but the IP is up currently. So yeah, there we go. So now if I go into creative mode and I use /pl to check my plugins, example plugin is in there. So now if I say anything in the chat, whoops, no caps lock, it's fine. But now if I include diamond in that, what? It diamond. I must have made a typo somewhere. Hold on, I'm going to pause it. Okay, I believe I found it. So, we don't want string message. We want if event dot get message dot to or lowercase dot contains diamond, then add the diamonds to their inventory. Now I'm going to pause again while I save and export this, and hopefully it works. Wait, I just realized what it is. I am an idiot. The number one thing about listeners, you have to initialize them when you're on enable. I can't believe I forgot that. I've never forgotten that until now. So, you want to do this dot get plugin. No, just get oh goodness, I am so nervous right now, I can't think. Right. This dot get server dot get plugin manager dot register events this. So what the this does is it tells you that it's this plugin in this class file, and it needs to implement listener up here as well. So it reminded me of that. Okay, so I'm going to pause it while I export this. Okay, so as you can see, when I was reloading the server, we got successfully disabled in red. And now we're going to go back into the server. I'm a lot less laggy now. I closed out some background programs. So now if I say hi like normal, it's all good. But now if I include the word diamond in there, there we go. And it's not just hi diamond, it's if I just spam it and put diamond and then more spam, it found it and it got it, and it's in my inventory. Now I know this is definitely not something that you would normally want to incorporate into a server. I mean, look how op this is. So yeah, I don't know why you'd want to incorporate it into a server, but, well, it works. That's the point. So that's it for this episode. Hope you liked it. Hope it was educational. Very sorry about the mistakes. And Redstone King out.